Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit more about the custom film. This is one of our, I think it's called Assassin Skulls. So custom pattern that we printed out, and we're going to dip a few things. We got a speed shape that we're going to do, and also a hard hat. So we'll go ahead and get this going here. So we'll lay this out, move this over. So now on something like this right here, that would be way more than enough. So it'll still be fine, but just for the video, we'll go ahead and just use that. Again, with the custom film, you always want to peel off the edge just like that and hold that down, and then pull this back just like this, all right? And then pull it off. And so essentially, this is the water side, so we'll flip it over like this right here, and then that way we have all of our film set the right way to go on top of the water. So throw that away. This film is wrinkling up. It is pretty humid out here, so it is wrinkling up. One thing you can do to prevent it is you can get tape and tape all the way around. So we can go ahead and do that right quick. So we'll put a piece of tape on one corner right there. Bring that out. One corner there. And then again, we'll unroll this right here. We'll lay that all the way across there, and also bring back this up just like that right there. So now that we've got it kind of spread out like that, we can go ahead and pull the tape all the way across the entire film. And now we've got a taped border all the way around. Now the film won't roll up on itself. So we'll take and cut these off right here. That way we've got nice clean lines and straight. And now we're ready to lay it in the water. So we'll take this, pick this up. So for something like this, we can just lay that down just like so. Now I did get water in right there. Not a big problem, but you do want to make sure that you do contain the film as much as possible, so that way it doesn't start letting any of the film right here to blow out. So we'll take that, set that down right there, pull this in a little bit, set it like that. Now, so one thing you can see is of course the water got in right there. Not really a big issue, but you can see that it is starting to move out. So if at all possible, try not to get the water on top of the film, because you don't want that to happen. So let me grab some gloves. The water temperature that we got right now, we're at 83, 82 degrees, even 82 in here, 83 in our dipping area. So anywhere between 80 to 90 is optimal. And again, this is the Liquid Concepts Activator. So you can see the film, everything looks really good with it. We're gonna do one pass. Now again, you can see how much I've got flowing out of this. Not very much, but we'll take that. We'll shoot one pass across it. And so now you can see everything is glassed out just like normal film. So we've got our speed shape basted in white, and now we're going to take this and then dip it right down in the film just like we would. And then pull it right back out, and there you go. So that's what you're wanting to see, definitely all the way around. So we got another one that we're going to do. Set that one down there. We got another film that we're going to do. actually the same film, and with the same film we're going to do a hard hat and kind of give you a good idea on that. Alright, so now that we've got that down, let's take and roll out some more for an entire hard hat. And so, looks like I've got a little bit of water on here. Definitely want to make sure that you keep this thing as dry as possible, just so that your film doesn't stick to the table because it gets wet. Alright, so we'll take this here and set some of these cups down just to kind of hold it. Alright, so we got our helmet, go across here, and actually we're going to spin it this way. So we've got there to there, and here to here. So let's see here. We'll take it, cut it about right there, and we'll also cut it across like that. So now that we've got that, roll that back up. It's out of there. Okay. So now that we've got that there, we're going to take and again, we're going to grab that edge and then start pulling back just like that all the way. Now that we've got that, then we can just take this and then pull it right out. Now you want to try to keep that on the table as much as possible, but we'll pull this out. And again, with it being real humid out here, the film wants to definitely stick a lot easier to itself, but that's just some of the problems that you may have. So if you do have that, it is going to be a little bit harder to get it down in the water, but it's not anything that's going to hurt you or kill you with it. It'll just come right back out. As you can tell, you can pull it right back out and you're good to go. So now that we've got this like this, we're going to pick this up here, and actually we're just going to go ahead and tape it. So we'll run from there, mark that down good. Alright, so now that we've got that, again, we'll come back in, cut our edges just so we got a nice straight line as we're pulling our dividers in for the film. And so now, that off there. Well, there we go. Alright, so one thing that we can do on this is we're going to take it and pull it over the edge of the tank. So we're going to take this, clean this off really good, dry it off. If you have one person, this is definitely the way to do it as far as getting the film into the water with just one person. So now that we've got that, we'll take this film here and slide this over like this, let it hit the water in one corner just like that, and then continue on pulling it up and into the water. So now that we've got that done, we'll set that down there, pull that in, and looks like that's going to be right there. those little cracks that you're seeing, or those right there, as you lay it down in the water, if you take just the air and you blow on it, you can pull those out just like so, and then that way you don't have to worry about them sticking together whenever you go and you blow your activator. Now again, you want to make sure, like on this, it looks like I've already got water that came up in that, so you do want to definitely be careful with that. Alright, so of course we have our water right there. We're going to try to miss that dip, but spray this here. And so now that we've got it all activated, we'll take this and then dip it down. Just like so. And there you go. So again, you're going to have some stretching coming down into here, which is normal because you have black that's going over white. But all in all, which that'll wipe off right there once you start rinsing it, but all in all, everything will dip really well all the way through the entire film. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and hopefully give you some pointers and techniques on the custom film and everything. So if you have any questions or anything, definitely give us a call, 455-5500, area code 501, or you can also shoot us an email, info@liquidconcepts.com. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.